charge ones with flat. You can't charge them unless you stop. If not stopped, then you cannot charge them with that. I would call this a red for right now until this wind passes, sir.
Yeah, go red, go red. Turn that light on, turn that light on, turn that light on, yellow.
There's way too much weather. Stop. Stop. Mr. Jackson, please stop for me. Thank you. We are under red.
Get the push trucks out here. Might need to take these guys to the pits if the rain comes down any harder.